Hello Cancerians, Scorpions and Pisces out there. Welcome to my place as Seychelle Speaks Messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Bharat Namaste. Let's start with the reading. Okay, I've already done this musical concept, but let's do it again on the camera. Alright, follow me on Instagram, SSHELLS Seychelles Running, and thank you for everything that you've been doing. If you are getting benefit out of this and you people are enjoying it, do share these videos, okay? Anyone who is in requirement, okay? Now this card flipped, we're going to take it. And I have a very important message again, that there's going to be some connected with like frequent discussions. That's what I'm hearing. And I'm also hearing like no one is going to drag it anymore. D-R-A-G, drag it anymore. So over here, I feel like water signs, especially you guys, Cancerians, Scorpions and Pisceans, you people are either you're going to get an apology, because this card is an apology. Okay, so we're going to discuss that stuff. But first of all, I'm hearing like frequent discussions, and frequent discussion might be with someone from your family, with your like siblings, of course, from your family, or someone close to you. You know them, of course, it's not random, but this is someone maybe you are contacting after some time here, or this may be just frequent discussions. Okay, now discussions we are talking about may be happening like after a long time you're meeting someone and you're you're not for a longer time no contact. It's just that like some time that passed on and now you are coming in contact, someone is visiting you, or you are just visiting someone, meeting someone. And then frequent discussions means like lot of talks, okay, variety of talks, just not one topic. Okay, now for some cases, if this is about relationship, particular love and all that, then you are getting here an apology. Okay, now either this is going from your side, like from your angle to the person, or from that person's side, it's like you are at the receiving end. So an apology definitely is en route, which makes sense, because people who are going to have frequent discussions will go for further apology if it is meant to, and it is like fitting in that situation. And I do feel an apology is coming. Okay, for some cases I have to mention it, because when I was arranging your like the splatter and everything, this particular one card that is on top, of course, this was near my stuffed toy, like soft toys here. So it was there. Okay, and this is a King of Swords energy, regardless of gender here, male or female. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy is very prominent here, and maybe it is someone who is shielding their own emotions here, or maybe you were shielding emotions from this person. Okay, some of you will end up saying I'm sorry, some of you will end up hearing I'm sorry, because these readings are general, so may go vice versa. This has to do something with King of Swords energy. We are going to keep this card here near apology. Okay, so I feel like either this is again going vice versa, going from your side towards that person, however this fits here. Okay, and maybe for some cases this is happening after the pause. That's what I said, like it is not so long that like years have passed. No, like maybe just after months you're contacting someone around the corner. Okay, so frequent discussions definitely here. That's what I'm hearing. This may involve an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Knight of Wands energy, but I feel like this is the vibe of like something that is supposed to be happening frequent is again the phase of curiosity. Okay, excitement, yes. If it is falling in your chart, again the signs, then there may be in your natal chart, you can cross watch, or if in the person you are dealing here. But I feel like this is what is very much curious and exciting phase. Okay, there is someone who is excited to know about the other energy or person, and in that way someone is going to make moves. So if this is your move and you are, please ignore the sounds, if this is your move, you're heralding towards something that you really want to talk about, okay, with this person. So Knight of Wands energy is of course here. Yes, I feel like someone is having a get-together, family get-together after a long time. Some of you might be dealing with a Scorpio here, possible. But I feel like here in specific, maybe now the time is changing kind of energy, which is like the Wheel of Fortune is changing here. That was the, I think, third last card. Let me see. Nah, what was that? Okay, it's like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, okay? But I'm not taking that, but somehow this energy is prevailing around you, wherein the concept is all about that when the time will change, or when the time will be right actually, and maybe you are feeling like the time is right, okay, for something here that is coming ahead in front of you, or in your life, or as in discussion mode. This is going to definitely herald, okay? Now herald is also, I feel like someone is very curious, so this may be some new approach as well. You don't know totally, but you know, makes sense, which is about, you might have said hello and hi, maybe at work or somewhere. You will know that, look, there is some stability that is calling, and I feel like someone possible is, this is a sign of get together also. It is also someone who is visiting your home possible, or you are. This is also stabilizing your relationship or issues and saying an apology possible. This is your current partner here, if this is the case here. I feel like both of you don't want to just like regret it later on. That's why you're going to work on it, and that is the best solution. If it is supposed to, it is meant to, then, and if just an apology is needed, and with, of course, with her, okay? But if this is just the point here, then you should do it like from both the sides, okay? Heavy air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and this time it is Queen, okay? So let me see. So many cases, I wanna talk to you. I'm getting this vibe of I wanna talk to you. So I don't know whether it is going from your side or from that person's side. Look, I wanna talk to you. Now for some cases it was like supposed to be resting in peace, which means that never to talk again. This may be the Scorpio, but with death, a lot has changed as an individual in your life and in this person's life, okay? People are heralding toward their like individual journeys here, okay? And this is all about possible work things, you know, wanting to make big here in some field, or maybe, you know, a higher education connected, or maybe something happened and then there was a pause or stop. I would say there was a stop to some situations here, okay? A long time no see kind of situations as well, but here I wanna talk to you. Look, so an apology, yeah, yes. And then there is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Maybe there's a couple here, maybe in your chart somewhere falling, and you people are couple here. Now I would love to say power couple when like kind of like same signs, okay? So there is a lot of what to say, not just curiosity, it is like connected with like a lot you don't know, and they're going to tell you, or a lot they don't know and you're going to tell them, kind of energy. I want to talk to you. Ace of Swords energy. There's a big breakthrough, okay? I apologize. There's a big breakthrough here, okay? And this is also something that someone is so clear that you people are going to ultimately talk, because there's going to be ace of this, which is initiation, starting something with the person, which is about talk, of course, and after like, no, it was never meant to be, or it's not going to happen kind of energy, some kind of discontinuation that happened, yeah. So this may happen, this may have happened like a month ago or months ago even, okay? You can extend this energy as just like year, kind of, not years but year kind of energy. That's what I'm hearing. So if this is happening here, someone is about to make contact, and there's going to be same moment, okay? And if you are making it, yeah, yes, I feel like this is what the call is, this is what out of the blue talk is. Yes, let me see. Let me see. I feel like someone can't bear this burden of dragging it anymore, like keeping things inside, or dragging just, you know, that how far I'm going to take this apology concept with me, because I really want to talk, okay? Here there is heavy discussion, okay? So frequent discussions, an apology, and no more dragging. And you have Three of Cups energy. Some of you are going to reunite with your old pals after pause, after no talk, after discontinuation of something. You may talk with your love, you may meet this person in this get together. People are settled here, okay? Means they might be lying on the couches, they might be lying on beds, whatever you say, you know, sitting on the chair. It's like a lot of energies around and at one place basically, and talking about old times, okay? And yes, kindred spirits, okay? So this is reunion. This is just not about kind of like lovers, kind of. You can say soulmates. Soulmates can be lovers, soulmates can be friends as well, okay? For some reason, this is what is going to happen. I feel like someone is inviting someone somewhere or visiting. That is very heavy, because you're going to enjoy time with this person. Also, maybe this is female energy. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius vibe is too much here, and they are going to have a lot of talks with you. You people are going to enjoy. This is also like you're having some something to eat, something to drink, and there's a lot here. Okay, a lot. And a lot means you're going to really have a joyfulness kind of energy. Like, people are enjoying here, that's what I can say. I can even see the room kind of. I can say that people are lying and sitting and on bed, on sofa, or whatever you say. Someone is standing, so that kind of energy. So this is not necessarily only 3 energies, this may be more than that. Okay, rush of emotions I'm seeing here. People are going to end up talking too much, contacting the one they love, contacting the one they miss, contacting the pals, like old friends coming together. Yeah, interesting. And this is going to be the time when people or lovers getting, they're getting opened up about what they exactly feel, and they're no longer dragging it. The word I use, like drag, and now I'm tired, like putting it here, like letting all things out. That is so important. Yeah. Let me see for Cancerians, Scorpions, and Pisces. You're about to take some matter into hands here. With the Hierophant Taurus and with Four of Swords energy, this is definitely happening after the pause. Someone's guards are down. They're going to end up talking about a lot of stuff in the 4 walls. When I say 4 walls, it's home or some place where you people are having some personal, private talks, important and connected with either work or some system, organization, or relationship here, with the person's family, or with exactly person. Okay, so this is what is going to happen here. Someone is taking things in hand, which is important. So frequent discussion is definitely connected. Someone, maybe if you're single, okay, so someone may end up talking about taking things ahead in the relationship. Someone may propose someone as well. Like, I'm not here joking. Someone will end up saying, like, I'm not joking, I am sincere and serious about this matter. Okay, it's just not like I'm not thinking about it. I'm thinking, and I was thinking from far, and kind of like when you were not even thinking about all this, I was thinking, something was in my head. So there is this energy of taking things ahead with this concept. Okay, this is about little bit going inside to contemplate on things before proceeding on some important matter. For some, you are already in relationships, so maybe marriage is here. Okay, someone is also securing something, finding, purchasing even home here. I'm hearing that kind of energy. There's definitely look, okay, I'm going to take this card. There's definitely Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Taurus, or yeah, yes, there's Knight of Cups. So there's possible handshake, proposal, or let's have frequent discussions regarding this. Maybe there's a date coming, maybe an apology definitely coming here. So Knight of Cups is like your next phase, and curiosity is definitely connected with this. You're going to hear from someone, you will end up talking to someone. Let's see more a little bit on this. Look, there may be an Aquarius exact with the star, but this is also something that was destined to happen in this time frame. You people were not able to fight this, whatever happened back then. Okay, so it was supposed to happen. Things were messed up here, and that's why this person, whoever this is, especially Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Aquarius here, if this is this person, however, this may be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but I feel like this is your energy, because in one go we are reading for you guys, so you may receive or even take this cup forward. Okay, so in that way, like, you're doing it like an offer, or you're receiving and you're taking it kind of energy as well. But with this energy, whatever happened, that was mess, and the shield was there. Someone was overprotective, you also, as a person, as an individual. With the star, it is supposed to be happening in this time frame. Now, something may be connecting you people, like if you believe in astrology and everything, you do read it. Okay, because I am a tarot reader, intuitive, psychic. I don't know astrology, okay, but I do read sometimes a little bit about planets and all that, what Venus is and all. But still, if you believe in all that, some things might have changed in these 7 years, kind of. Okay, so maybe not exact 7, but for some 7. Now, this is also the time frame that's going to stop, and then things are going to change in your life. Okay, the lucky phase, the lucky time, and the biggest star in your life. And this is also fated certain kind of connection that is coming in the picture. That's what I see, which is good, because I see like you are heralding beautiful love relationship with this person. You're going to end up talking with this Aquarius or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Taurus. There is beautiful uh, what to say, union. Look, you are here. Beautiful union or reunion. You have King of Cups. I see this is your energy. You really want to warm, or you feel warm, or you feel even concerned about this person, Aquarius. Okay, there's also, it's just not about love matters. Soulmates are also like siblings. Again, I'm telling you that, or friends. Some connections that you cannot explain, as in blood relationship also. But this is someone, you know, you adore and you are around, and this is what fated connection as well. And you have so much of adoration and love and affection for you and this person. There's judgment. Okay, there's a call back. There's a call back, which means that this may be something coming for the second or third chance in your life, or you might be making that move, however this fits you. When this is happening, it is supposed to be actually something will just going to be like an awakening kind of. Okay, when I say awakening, I mean like it's going to struck and sudden idea will hit your mind or heart, and then you're going to think about it, of course, and this may lead to some positive aspect about your current relationship or anything that you are going to, you know, manifest in your life. And that's what I'm seeing here. You have positive cards, you have frequent discussions, you have apology, you have no more drag. So things are ultimately settling, like the whatever the dust was. I'm going to do with that reading it different, but regarding dust, because I'm getting that message, but I do get so many messages at the same time that I can't just collaborate here. So I need to make another video so that you can ease out and you can listen to one reading at a time, and then further we proceed. Okay, take care guys, I love you, see you soon, bye.